Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my channel. This is Frida, your host for today's video. Today I am going to show you how to make a prepare for a drink that you can drink for the entire day. I started this yesterday and I got so excited because I weighed myself this morning, and I did introduce you, and I will pin it on the comments that I lost about 9 pounds in 7 days, I believe. So I got so excited, and I don't know if this drink helped as well, kicked it. I don't know what happened, but something happened. So I wanted to share. This is my second day, and this is the drink that I prepared the day before, and it was sitting. It needs to be sit in the fridge. And I started drinking throughout the day. I need to finish this. Okay, just to show you. And it's delicious because there's lemon in it, there's cinnamon in it, there's parsley in it, there's mint in it. What, a clove or clove? I don't know what this is called. I'll show it to you. Parsley, I said. So let's get started. So I filled one of my jugs here. I have these from my broken coffee makers, so I kept them. But the lid had a big hole on it, so I put a Saran wrap on it just to cover it, because we don't want any air to come out right in. So we want everything to sit in the glass. And it needs to be glass. I love glass, so sip it throughout the day, and you can drink coffee. I haven't made my coffee yet, but I will make my coffee. Drink your coffee, your tea, your regular water, whichever you like to drink, but try to finish this jug the entire day. Oh wow, this is fantastic. Okay, so let's get started. Lemon. I said lemon, right? Okay, so let me just pull this. So this is my jug from yesterday. So, okay. Clove, I think that's what these are called, right? They smell fantastic. I chew them. If you have bad breath, they're great. I put them a couple on my tea, like I don't know. This is what I put. I don't even count. Maybe 10. Okay, clove. So this is done. If you have cinnamon sticks would be great, but I don't. I thought I did a jar full, but I can't find them. So I'm using my cinnamon powder. Okay, I do have another jar, so nothing to worry. I bought it from Winners. This was from, I think, from wholesale. I bought it and I emptied it. Okay, so that's done. Okay, mint. I picked it from the garden yesterday and I washed them. You don't need that much. I would say if you have big like leaves like this, about 4 maybe. Count them. 4 or 5 leaves. Yeah, fresh would be better if you have fresh. If you have dry, unfortunately, some people don't have their from their garden. So yeah, that goes back to the fridge. Okay, parsley. I washed them here about like this, and then stuck them there and stir it while you're at it. Okay, that's done. And then lemon. So what lemon? This time I'm going to cut them, but I'm going to squeeze them. What I do is, because most of the juice are, when you cut them and put them, what happens is most of the juice is always inside of it. And what I'll do is I'll just cut these like this, just like you guys can see it, because I see it, and put them in here, just like this. Squeeze this one. here. And with the parsley, I'm just stirring. Isn't this brilliant? Okay, so I will put the link where I got this information, because he has great tips as well. Because I tried this and it worked on me. Even one day I think it worked. Even if I lost, he says to lose 3 kilograms, so that's about 6 pounds in 5 days, 1 week. So that's why I wanted to add that, because I already am drinking on an empty stomach, which that worked. It helped. 9 pounds is lots of pounds for me, because I always have a hard time losing weight. Okay, so this is done. I think that's all right. No honey. Honey is for the other drink. And then what you do is you put this in the fridge, and when you wake up next day, you put it in your glass, and then you start drinking. Isn't this lovely? So I just had to share this because like I explained on the first video, I have a really hard time losing weight, and I try to be active, but because of my back problem, no matter what you do, we carry stuff, we lift stuff, no matter. I tried, like I can't bend over to clean my oven. I collapsed in 2016, and I don't want to go through that. It's a terrible pain. I couldn't get up for days. I couldn't get up. And as soon as I got up, I went to the doctor, and it looks like one of my, see the bones from the back, right? You have bones like they're one after another, right? So one of them collapsed, and it's touching my nerves. So that is just ruining my life. That nerve is ruining my nerves, ruining all over my body, right here, everywhere. I thank God I don't have any problem on my neck yet, but you never know when I get older. I'm 53, so I have to be very cautious. And yeah, and that's the reason I put on weight so easy. And I really have a hard time losing it. When I lost the 9 pounds, I said, I have to share this with my lovely subscribers, my followers. So try this for a week. It's not bad. The taste isn't bad. I'm just drinking cinnamon, and cinnamon levels your body sugar, right? So that's another good thing. And mint, lemon, these are all good for you. Oh, it's just gorgeous. I'm just drinking it. See? Oh, wow. This is good. Really good. It's better than ginger ale. Or Canada Dry. Oh, my goodness. Oh, I really like it. Yeah, so continue drinking your other stuff that you drink, by all means. There's nothing wrong with them. And I did not put a stop to what I have been eating. I've been eating hamburger. I made a hamburger at the barbecue yesterday. I ate 2 corns. They're not gigantic, but they're regular, you know. But I stopped eating after 7 p.m., definitely. I eat seeds. I eat seeds, sunflower seeds. You know, everything. I try donuts. Well, I have croissant here. I haven't ate anything yet, but I will eat a croissant and a muffin, which I ate yesterday. So that's what I'm trying to say. And I'm still losing the weight. I just love it, love it, love it. I had to share this trick. I don't know. Lots of people hide their stuff, which I don't. I always try to share it with you guys, and I hope you enjoy this drink and enjoy the summer. It's really hot. Even it's raining, it looks like it's cool, but it's still hot. I had to close the windows because of the loud, but other than that, my windows are all open. We haven't turned on the air conditioning yet, and I don't want to due to the fees that are coming. It's like crazy. So yeah, I just wanted to share you this incredible drink, and please try it for 7 days. This is my 2nd day, and yeah, I will share my thoughts. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I will reply to you. But most of my pictures, my short videos, I share them on my Instagram page, so come and join me and have fun. So I will talk to you on my next video. Take care, everybody, and enjoy the rest of the summer. It's June, what is today, 16 or 17? I can't believe how time flies by. Tomorrow's 18, so today's 17. Yeah, today's Friday, so happy Friday, everybody, and take care, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and then hit that bell that says notified. Pick the first one. So when you pick the first one, every time I post a new video, you will be notified and you won't miss any of my videos. I do live stream on every month on the 27th. I try to. If I don't, then it's the next day. I usually post information on my community or let you guys know on my Instagram page. So you guys take care and have fun. Bye-bye.